Hello guys, welcome back. Right now I'm some longs on S&P and Nasdaq at the market open. The reason for the longs is this huge move to the downside that happened at around 2 p.m. CET, 1 p.m. and we saw this huge move down which left a lot of imbalances behind. So logically I'm gonna trade back towards those imbalances. I am on the micros because as you can see it's moving very fast, it's very volatile, and I'm not really looking to risk a lot of money. So logically, I would trade towards this 5800 mark because it's a whole number and it starts to push into this huge imbalance. So yeah, those are the logics for the longs. We can see this huge move to the upside already happened before the market open, and now as the market opened it continued to move even further up. I'm noticing that S&P is doing much better than the Nasdaq. Still waiting for that fast move up. I would build some longs when they break this high on the S&P as well, to continue to move down even further up. Maybe play some longs as it's moving down as well. Can we see that breakthrough on the Nasdaq? There's the move, filled on Nasdaq, filled on S&P as well. There we go. I'm still seeing a lot of buying. We can see some sellers coming in, but we can see that the bids absorb all the selling and then they move up, which is very good. There is still more buying than selling on both contracts. That 800 is very close. Yeah. It's definitely going to that 800. Then I would expect price to really be volatile, where I would look to get out just because I'm not really looking to stay in the trades when price moves that fast. But we're just gonna wait and see. We trade what we see, not what we think will happen. So there we go. That's a very strong close on the 1 minute candle. Still going up, still seeing buyers. 350 on the buying, 360, 300. But you can see also the same amount of sellers as well. So we gotta be careful. There are still bids containing this move to the upside. 900 has been broken on the Nasdaq. There's the move, there's the 800. That's exactly the zone that we were trading towards, so I would look to get out from the trades and then leave some runners to do their thing. So I'm just gonna leave one contract on the S&P and one on the Nasdaq. That's a sharp move down. You can see how they come down, but they quickly come back up as well. That's very good. Moving up again. So you can see how they move down, then they move up, then they stay in a range for a bit. As we can see how they stay in this range, they create a bit of a volume profile, they move up. They create a bit of a volume profile, they move up. So that's the thing that they're doing right now, and that's consistent with higher prices. They're just building longs as price is moving up at lowest point on that range. So they move up, move down, build longs at this falling profile, move up, close the longs, move down, build the longs, move up again. So yeah, it's still moving up. I'm still not seeing any reasons to really get out from the trade. We can just see this exceptional move on the to the upside on the S&P. But we can see a bit more selling coming in. So there are some sellers here, happily selling from the highs, which is bearish, of course. That's a very fast move down, but they also move it back up just as fast. So we are 6 minutes into the open. You see again, moves down to quickly move back up. So people are still here. They're still looking for higher prices. And we have just, as we can see, we have just hit that imbalance recovery. As you can see how fast they move up. So this whole imbalance will probably get recovered. But probably not on this move. So I would expect some very sharp retraces down anytime now, because we can see how fast this move up has been. And we know that the faster they move up, the faster they're gonna come down as well. So let's see. So we can see a bit of lack of buyers. You can see these 7, 10, 18. It's not that much buying, which is concerning. So I would look to get out now. You can see that fast move up, but how it's not as much buying. Now we see this 143. Can he sustain this move? But you can see they don't move up after they get transacted, and they move up, but then you see again no buying. So yeah, I would look to get out now. Last attempt. Come on, push up. Come on. Yeah, comes down. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. There we go. So we just saw a lack of buyers here, and we can see that the result is a move down. Now, of course, they can move up from here again, but I'm not really looking to trade those retraces down. I'm just happy with the profit that I got. We entered literally from the lows here. They made the move up. We exploited this imbalance recovery that they left out from this move down at 1:30 p.m. And yeah, we were of course on the micros. We don't like to risk that much on the opens. We know how fast the price can move. We also increased the tick size on the Nasdaq to 4. So overall, 2 very clean trades. So here are the profits. You can see 317 for the Nasdaq, 153 for the S&P. These are some positions that I'm building right now as we speak. So yeah, but for today or for this session, we had this 153 and 317. So around $350. I'm very happy with that. Very clean trades. So yeah, that's it, guys. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna see you guys some next time.